Hiya folks, I'm just doing a little showcase on some of the gear I use, and today I'm going to show you the Trangia 27 cook system. I've used Trangias for years, but I thought I'd treat myself to a new one. Now you get these in various variations. You can get a hard ionised one, non-stick one, and just a plain aluminium one. I've just gone for the plain aluminium one. Obviously get your instructions. And then you've got the complete nesting set. Got a strap that holds it all together. And you get the frying pan. Then you get your pot grip to grip your pans. There's room in there for a lighter and a few bits and bobs as well. Got these clips that come out, which sits the frying pan on. And then inside you can get a gas conversion kit, or you can get the kettle with it. I've gone for the little kettle. And then inside that you've got your spirit burner, and you could also get a few bits inside there as well, a lighter, etc. And then you've got your spirit burner. I suggest leaving it in this bag because the brass burner can affect the aluminium. And there's your spirit burner. You've got a snuff ring and then a screw-on cap. You get two 1 litre pots with it. And the pot gripper fits that as well. And these clips fold in. Your kettle and pots fit on them. Then you simply have a windshield, and that part attaches to that, and then you put your spirit burner in the middle. Now you can get various extras as well to go with it. I've just got a little bottle that you put your biethanol in, or your methylated spirits, or whatever you want to use. I also got a little chopping board that goes with it as well. That's a little chopping board. It's got straining holes on it. It also fits on the top. It fits on the bottom as well. It also fits on top of your pans, and you can use it as a strainer. There's a little gap there for your pot grip as well. Also got a little bag for it all to fit in and keep your bag clean, etc. Now this little buckle has a safe closure. You simply unscrew that and then you fill your Trangia. Now when you finish using it, you simply use your snuff ring to put it out. Don't use the cap because that has a rubber seal on it and you'll just ruin that. Wait till it's cooled as well before you screw that back on. I don't know if you can see, but it's starting to bloom now around the edges, so we'll make a brew and see how long it takes to boil. Now that's took about 3-4 minutes to get a boil going. Boiling nicely now. And as I said, when you finish, you just put that snuff ring on to put it out. I'll put all the specs up on the end so you can pause and have a look. It's about 18 centimeters in diameter. It's quite lightweight, fits in your backpack well. Right, I'll get a brew on.